Hi guys, so there's no doubt Samsung makes the best tablets in the Android space. Its flagship tablets are the biggest competitors to Apple's iPad Pro series, and they recently launched their latest flagship tablet, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, with a bunch of cool features. So in this video, we're gonna go over the top 5 features of the Tab S8 Ultra. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoy the video. So the first and most obvious feature is the new display. It's a massive 14.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It's easily the biggest tablet out there with the thinnest bezels, but in order to have such thin bezels, it unfortunately has a notch to house the selfie cameras, which is another feature of the Tab S8 Ultra. The selfie cameras, which includes the main camera and an ultra-wide camera. The ultra-wide camera enables auto-framing, which automatically adjusts the frame if someone else joins you on a video call or leaves it. It also works when recording videos with the rear camera. Another feature is the super natural writing experience that you'll get with the S Pen on the Tab S8 Ultra. So the Tab S8 Ultra is gonna offer the same 2.8 milliseconds S Pen latency just like the S22 Ultra. It's also gonna use the same AI point prediction to predict the next point of contact for the S Pen. Now, one really cool feature of the Tab S8 Ultra allows you to use the Galaxy S22 Ultra as a palette when painting, and that also means the S Pen has a cross-platform compatibility between the Tab S8 Ultra and the S22 Ultra. Now, the best use of such a huge display is its multitasking experience, and Samsung is taking the multitasking of the Tab S8 Ultra to another level. You can now open 3 applications together on a multi-tab window just like the Galaxy Z Fold series. You can also resize each application to your taste and reposition to where you want them to be. Now, this multitasking feature is originally from the Z Fold series, but I feel it's gonna be even better on the Tab S8 Ultra because of its much larger display. Another cool feature is Samsung's optimization with the video editing software LumaFusion. LumaFusion has been previously exclusive to iOS, and it's gonna be available on Android devices in the first half of 2022. So it's not gonna be exclusive to the Tab S8 Ultra, and that's why it's not in the top 5 features. But it seems like it's gonna be well optimized for the Tab S8 Ultra and its size. Anyway, be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get daily tech updates. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.